care. I am here and talking with you. I care about you. I'm always going to be here for you to talk about this. I need you to know that.
So I have ginger here, and it's not peeled at all. I'm gonna have to use a spoon to do it. Just so happens that a spoon does it pretty well. But it's all right. So look at that, all clean already.
Looks nice.
We're gonna move that over. We'll cut that into a couple little things here. I'm just gonna rough chop it because I don't have much time.
With ginger, you can eat it. Like some of the bigger pieces will be a little bit woody, but like it's all right to eat. Like it's nice.
I'm gonna have garlic. I'm gonna use garlic here.